So I went to a typography printing workshop the other day. And it was not my first time doing that. I mean, I studied this during uni over 10 years ago. But it's always fun to go back to old techniques. Or maybe not that old. I mean, Photoshop was released in 1987, which means that less than 40 years ago, this was actually still the norm. Can you imagine, to make a single piece of design, you'd need machinery, equipment, and an entire workshop for that. And although the technology has become obsolete, it's still in use today, either for fun, for education, or even to get to very specific and unique results that only manual print can achieve. And that didn't just happen with design. I mean, think about painting. Photography made it obsolete, and yet we still have painters all over today. King Charles just had his portrait made, that very red portrait we all know now. And the same happened with other different technologies. Wristwatches, for example, they used to be a necessity to keep track of time, but now they are just fashion accessories, tech gadgets, or even high-end jewelry. Think of Philippe Patek, for example. And then that got me thinking about AI. Clearly, generative AI is going to democratize design, making it easier for everyone to do it. But that doesn't mean that designers will vanish. No, it probably means that we will just reposition ourselves. Maybe we'll become quality assurance people, making sure that every design that is generated will come under scrutiny. Or maybe we'll become accessories for rich people and big companies who will brag about how they have designers under their employment, making sure that they have the best possible design work in the world. Or maybe that's just wishful thinking. Go figure, I can see the future. Anyways, see you around.